King of birds. Once all birds in jungle gathered and decided that they should have a king among birds. Now the question was, who will be the king of birds? Mayana had an idea and suggested, let's keep a competition between bird and one who fly highest could be crowned as king of all birds. Everyone liked the idea and agreed for it. Eagle, who was also present there, started to boast about his strong and big body and said, I am the strongest of all birds. You all know that I am only one who can fly highest. Then why bother with all this competition? Why not make me king now? Still, there is a possibility that you may not win, peeped a little voice. Eagle turned to look around to see who said that. To his surprise, it was said by a little sparrow. In mocking voice, Eagle said, Oh, and who is going to beat me? You. Sparrow didn't said anything. Later, all birds got ready for race. As soon as owl signalized, all birds started flying up into the air, but they could not fly very high and very fast for long. One by one, they dropped out of the race. Only the eagle went on flying as strong as ever. Eagle looked below him and saw that all birds had given up. He said, Didn't I say that already? I am only one who can fly highest. Now you all agree that I am king of all birds. What the eagle did not know was that the teeny sparrow had been flying under his wing. The moment he stopped, Sparrow darted out. He flew just above the angel's head and cried out, No, no, Mr. Eagle. I am king of the birds. Look, I have flown higher than you. All the birds agreed with the sparrow in any case. They were glad to see the proud eagle beaten. They chose Sparrow as their king. Moral: even if opponent or the work is stronger than your ability, it does not mean that you should give up before trying, but instead you should think and try to find a solution to the problem sensibly and patiently. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, my all dear friends. Have a good day all friends.